July 12th and June 20th. So I'm gonna put the June 20th at the front. Got my cheese strings. Refilled my cheese strings. Oh, what's this one? That one's empty, okay. Because I need all the energy that I can get to unload all these groceries. I need an iced coffee. Yes, I said it. Iced coffee, more coffee. You guys like my dress? I know I don't wear dresses like ever, but the only thing that I had out and available to wear was like gym clothes. And I just had some like running around to do, and I just didn't want to wear the same gym shorts and sports bras or crop tops that I wear all the time. So I like took out my first bin. The first bin that I found ended up having a dress in it. Well, a bunch of dresses. I didn't end up digging deeper in the bins to find like jean shorts or something like that. So I stuck with the dress. So everything is, you can't even tell, dirty and sandy from the bottom of my truck. That's annoying. I'm gonna have to like wash everything. So I usually put everything in bins, but the bins don't fit on the floor in the back of my truck. And because it is so hot and humid, I put everything that needed to be like refrigerated or freezer in my vehicle, and not in a truck. And it's a light colored. Yes, it's not black. It's almost like white. Am I crazy? As if I'd wear like a white dress. Living on the edge. Hey, gotcha. Thank you guys. 45 minutes. It'll take a while. And I mean, especially if I'm on live, it'll take even longer to get these groceries put away. But should we play a game? Or do you guys want to guess how much I spent on groceries? For real. How much did I spend on groceries? Oh, okay, which is funny. Okay, guys, so I always talk about watermelon. Watermelon prices up here in Canada are crazy, okay? So I took a picture of the watermelon sign. Greg, no guessing, okay? Do you guys want to guess how much a watermelon is? At my local Costco. Hey, Jonathan, will I marry you? No, I don't marry strangers. Come on, you guys, take a guess. Watermelon, $19.99, $7.99, $20, $6.99. My God, where do some of you guys live? Gabe, where are you that you have $20 watermelons? I don't want to live where you are. Are you Canadian? Canada? Okay. So I want to know how much do the Americans pay for their watermelon? How much are the American watermelon? Hey? Hey, I'm sounding very Canadian right now. $19.99. Gilberto, you're in the US and you pay $2.99 for a watermelon? Wasaga Beach, Ontario, watermelon is $7.99. Like at your local Costco, Paul? Ronnie, hello. 39 cents, Frank. Nobody pays 39 cents for a watermelon. Texas, really? Okay, so I took a picture of it. So this was the price of watermelon at my Costco. And if this is from Mexico or the USA, why is there such a markup? Is this what our tariffs are doing to my grocery prices? Is this tariffs on watermelon? Because if you guys can buy them for $3 or $4, why is it $17? And it's even from the USA. That's insane. Insane. Yes, tariffs. Tariffs on watermelon. Okay, wild. Oh, you can't see. Sorry, guys, over here. So a seedless watermelon from Mexico or the USA. I guess it doesn't specify. $16.99. $4.67 here in Texas. What a weird fucking number. Whoo! $4.67. You guys don't do like $3.99, $4.99, $5.99. I feel like everything is like 99. And yours, guys are up there in Texas doing 6, 7 with all your prices. Please. How do I find an American White Beauty? I have no idea. I'm Canadian, so you'll probably be looking for a while. No, it's not United States dollars. Oh my God. If it was United States dollars, it'd be like $28 Canadian. That's Canadian funds, okay? But our exchange rate right now is at like $1.40. So yeah, if it was $17 American, that would be like 26, 28 Canadian. Wild. Right. Yeah. So anyways, I got to get these groceries put away before they start to melt. But you guys can try and guess what my grocery bill was. Do you guys want to guess? How much did I spend at Costco today? Wally World. No, Costco. Costco. $1,127.63. No, Greg, that is a very specific number, though. Okay, well, I don't even remember what, like, the exact number was, but I'm just going to round it to, like, the nearest 100 because it was, like, something 90, whatever. Thank you. So, your average Costco run is about $400. Can I have your Costco bill? Can we trade? Anybody want to pay my Costco bill? I don't make enough on TikTok to support my Costco shopping. Oh my God, there's a bunch of people on Clapper that say that their Costco bills are $400. Jonathan, what's your occupation? Not enough to support my Costco shopping. I guess less, because I knew I had to get a bunch of specific things, so I kind of thought it'd be more. But I guess it was kind of less than I thought, but still a lot. Oh yeah, okay, so let's be clear about that. I bought no meat today. I'm trying to think, did I? Okay, well, like frozen hamburger patties, but that doesn't count. Frozen hamburger patties don't count because that's like processed foods that go in the freezer. So yeah, no raw, fresh meat. Okay? No, not 800. Speaking of which, I gotta get the frozen freezer stuff in the freezer before it melts. Oh my God, where's it gonna go? I mean, I just need to find a home for this stuff until Sunday. So things are gonna be like busting at the seams until Sunday. Whoa, what the heck was that? The bag? The bag that I just put in the freezer? That was French fries? Frozen fries? Because I'm gonna make frozen fries to go with the, how much was the frozen fries? I don't know. There actually wasn't a price. I think the tag had fallen off the wall. I think they're usually like $14 or $16 for the fries. I'm putting away hamburgers now. Hamburger patties, so like these hamburger patties were $30. I just got over how for, oh, thanks, Mr. Squirrels. Sharf. Those Cavendish fries are actually they are really good. They're really, really good. Donnie, no, I have not touched the deck, okay? The deck is like very, very low on the priority list. I actually have a to-do list of everything that I need to get done, like around the house, the yard. And the deck isn't even on it. It didn't even make the list, okay? So sorry to disappoint. Voice to text, what? Yes. Sorry to disappoint, but yes, the deck is not on the list. What about the gym? I did go to the gym this morning. So I went to the gym before I did any shopping because it's so hot outside. I knew everything was gonna melt and melt like very quickly. So yes, I did the gym. First thing I did, what did you say about paying for your Costco? How much? Okay, it was $700. $700 and I didn't get any meat. Wild. And I didn't even buy my egg whites because I can't pay $20 for egg whites. I think that's crazy. Am I right? Why did you buy wieners? I didn't. I already had wieners. And my No Frills did not have wieners on sale. So I ended up, remember how we talked earlier this morning? Someone said that wieners were on sale at No Frills. Well, they weren't. I did find watermelon though. A cheap watermelon.